Kaspa holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be analyzing Kaspa, understanding what's happening, and of course what we could be expecting going into Tuesday morning. So let's waste no more time and take a look at what's happening with Kaspa right now. So looking across the board, we're seeing, over the course of the last, I would say 2 to 3 hours, we have seen a little bit of manipulation happening, more volatility. Speaking about that, if you watch my update literally last night, that's something I've emphasized this week. Do expect more volatility, and that's exactly what we ended up seeing just an hour and a half ago to 2 hours. And obviously I'm going to highlight as to what I'm talking about. But if you're looking across the board, we're still seeing some of the coins holding on to, this bullish momentum. You're seeing Kaspa still up about 2%, which is always nice to see. Price of Kaspa, 7.6 cents, also up about 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative. Now, if you're looking at the market cap, back above 2 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $87 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index here, guys, look what has happened. Speak about volatility. This is a perfect example right in front of us. You can see this for yourself. We actually came down to the likes of 64.45% for the dominance. And look how fast things turned around. Look how fast things turned around, and we pretty much went up to 65% in a snap. And while Bitcoin, on the other hand, did break out above the 106,800 key resistance we've been speaking to you guys about, we actually wicked up to 109,000. So as far as targets are concerned, everything we've been speaking about have, been reached over the course of the last 24 hours specifically. So, obviously since the 109,000 key retest, we have seen a little bit of a retracement, which caused the dominance to actually pick up more strength and has caused, some of the altcoins to actually go back into the red. So that is why we are seeing some coins actually in red right now. But look what Kaspa, did. So if you're looking at Kaspa, I was speaking to you guys about the importance of the 8.2 cents key resistance literally yesterday. I was talking to you guys about how important it is for us to reclaim back above this range and, close above this range and start heading into this blue zone. And believe it or not, you can't make this up. I'll literally show you guys this on the hourly time frame. It's right in front of us. You can see this for yourself. We can't make this up. We retested exactly that key resistance right at that neckline. Right at that neckline, you saw that rejection, and we did come back down. So as far as, the importance and confirmation goes, yet again, this resistance, is a major confirmation for us to, obviously know how important this level really is. And like I said, we can really see that here. So literally since yesterday, if you did pick up Kaspa around the 7.1 cents, you did see an increase of a staggering 15%. And this was, pretty much across the board. But like I said, talk to you guys about volatility and look at this, pretty much that, move that we did see has pretty much been wiped out. And this is why I was talking to you guys about be prepared for volatility. And I do expect some moves like this to happen more, depending on what kind of news we hear. Obviously, some external factors need to be considered as well. We know what's happening globally, and also the FOMC meeting that's coming up on Wednesday. So I do believe that market is going to kind of shake weight movements. A lot of liquidations are going to be occurring. So this is why you want to stay away from leverage trading platform. But as far as targets are concerned, this resistance, now the fact that we have retested it, even though it was a rejection, I still personally believe we are to be going to this exact key resistance next and turning into support. It's a very important level. It continues to show us that, and that is a target that still is on the radar. But let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.